Are you ready to crack the code and land your dream job at Infosys? Let's dive into a comprehensive guide to help you ace the Infosys online coding test. First, understanding the test format is key. This test typically assesses your problem-solving abilities and coding skills, usually involves multiple coding questions with varying difficulty levels, ranging from easy to hard. Often, you'll encounter questions based on data structures like arrays, linked lists, and trees. Knowledge of algorithms like sorting and searching is also crucial. Be prepared for problem-solving scenarios where you need to write efficient and optimized code. Many languages are allowed, including C, Java, and Python. Ensure you're proficient in at least one. Time management is critical. Take time to read each question carefully. Plan your approach and allocate optimal time for each problem. Don't get stuck on one problem for too long. Practice is essential. Regularly solve coding problems on platforms like LeetCode and HackerRank to build a strong foundation. Focus on improving your speed, accuracy, and code efficiency. The difficulty level starts easy, with problems meant to gauge your fundamentals, and escalates to hard for a deep dive into your algorithms and data structures expertise. Remember to practice and prioritize these, as they are more common in the Infosys tests. Test your code with various test cases to ensure its correctness. Read the instructions carefully. Understand the constraints. Plan your approach before you start coding. Optimize your code for both time and space complexity. Finally, stay calm, focused, and you'll be well on your way to success. Good luck with your assessment.